Hello everyone! For today's video, we are going to make creamy cucumber, tomato, and carrot salad. Here's the ingredients. 1 cup carrots and 1 cup cucumber, tomatoes, mayonnaise, sour cream, onion, ground pepper, and garlic powder. All we need to do is combine tomato, cucumber, carrots, and thinly slice of onion. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, sour cream, garlic powder, and pepper. Mix well. Mix the dressing into the vegetable. Add salt to taste. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!